Right. Toda kutaura nechokwadi handiti ukauya munzvimbo yakaita seinoi kana kuti ukashandisa suti yakaita seinoi wega unongozvinzwa kaupresident unenge uchitongokanzwa maura. Yeah. Right. I think you remember sometime last year I went to Mutoko and ndakaenda panzvimbo yainzi Suskwe Lodge, handiti Suskwe Lodge. So today I'm here in Gweru. This is Suskwe Lodge Gweru, handiti. So I just want to show you around. Ndichangokuratidzai this presidential suite yandoda kuti munge muri munoona zvakamira sei. Kuitira kuti musatyire kure. Sometimes it's very good to have ka experience kakaita sekanaka, handiti. So hello guys, welcome back to yet another video here at your favorite channel of your choice, Saint TV. Yes, Uncle Saint is my name. So I'm going to start nepandandakagara. I think you can see the quality of this chair. Guys, chair yakanaka. Wega ndongoona ndezvema presidents, handiti. This one here is ndopa workstation. Okay, ndanda kutotya kutondona. So panapa ndopa workstation. Kurodroni kana wauya kugweru maybe for some meetings and you want to prepare for the next day, here's a workstation where you can put your laptop, your books, your files, and then you can work. Zvangofanana nekuoffice kwako, handiti. So this is a workstation. Chibva workstation here pakona panapa tine two ma chair. Tingamati machi now. Machi? No, it's okay. Machi? No. Ma couch, handiti. These are couches, handiti. These are couches. 1, 2. Kura kuti zonunogona mauya muri 2 zvenyu. You can sit here, relax. Panapa. Hey, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ichi heater, and this one here, it is a heater. And atichaite zvekuisa marashka mudzimba. This is standard. And here there's a table, a round table kekuti munokwanisa kudyira zvenyu kana munokwanisa kudyira. And there's a carpet. There's a beautiful carpet here. It's very comfortable. This side you can see curtains akanaka. Curtain akanaka. And there's pane AC yekuti nyango kapisa sei you can just use your AC to cool the room. Mubva magara mune temperatures akanaka. Ndichapesa nebed because this is the main center of attraction. So I'm going to ndiyapesera nebed. If you go up, you see ceiling yao ine tuma lights mukati turikubuda to blue. This is just beautiful. This is beautiful. Mudenga imagine uri muroom yekuti muceiling mune muchibuda tumakala. Kana wopedza unobatwa nadzo ipapo. Wopedza unobatwa nadzo wega unotongozviona kuti so panapa pane flat screen television. Ka TV kachona kari slim. Ndezvechimanje manje. I mean, not my inch mangani is this 65%, 70. This is 70 flat screen. Yeah. Yakaiswa pane this material anditozoti chi, but panapa zvakare you can see kuti pane ameno tikachia andichaziyo munongozvionerawo. There's a sound bar, there's a DSTV yekuti mune muchingozvionerawo, and also there's I would like to call it a coffee station, and it comes with a kettle yekuti unokwanisa kuboilisa mvura yenyu, then pane coffee tea, mvura yenyu yekuti vanhu vane mari vanofarira kumwa tea. Pane zvinongoitika netea kana wane mari, handiti. So tabva panapa, if you come here, there is right aine rimo mukwanisa kuisira hembe dzenyu, masutsu enyu haunyane, munomaisa pamahenga ane space, enough space. There's an iron yekuti shirt kana yaunyana unokwanisa kuaina shirt yako obva wapfeka nesuit yako, just like someone who's coming from home. And also there's a shoe rack down there, you can put your shoes, this is up to standard. And also if you come here, you see there's a safe. I know some other guys, they move around with a lot of cash and some jewelries. Time yekurara, you can just put them in there, safe, and then you know kuti you are good to go. From here, there is you've got a lot of space to put whatever you want to put underneath. There's a lot of space to put and also we've got a refrigerator. You have to keep your drinks cool, your water cool. This is your refrigerator. You have to enough for, of course, a few bottles underneath. A few bottles. From here, there is a bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom. Just want to show you the bathrooms. So here, guys, it's church room. Britu na madam, you don't need to wait for kuti madam wapedze and then ndozopinda madam ane vachita zvauri kuitapo iwo uchiitawo zvauri kuita panapa. There's enough space. And another thing very interesting in this suite and this bathroom, it is the mirror, and it provides you with self-lightening, and it's a touch, and chirungu icho vanangu chirungu icho vanoyanzwa dzangu izvo ane zvinhu zvacho unotozviona wega kuti zvakadi zvakarongeka. You can even see the art yakashandiswa panapa. This is extremely beautiful. And if you come here, there's a tub. Imagine white vamwe munoti white chichi kuno tinotsikira kuno tinoshandisa kutsikira white. And then this is a tub munoisa mvura yenyu inobuda hot and cold. Then imwe munoza mvura yamune muchida kuti munoda in temperature yakaita sei, so you just do it yourself. And then panapa you can see the art yakashandiswa panapa. There is inochi amene icho muri kuchiona ichi chiripo chematauro andini, but it's something interesting. Chiri kutodziya kuraudzoni chine magetsi mukati ekuti chine chichidziya towel munozviputira kana kupukuta netowel rinenge chidziya. Chirungu presidential andini. Another one here andini. And and then bought the lotion up and washing basket kenyu. And then also bathroom muri suppose kuva nema plugs anditi ekuti kana uchida kusheva kana kuti kublower your hair anditi muchida kublower bvudzi, you can use these plugs. If you want to shave, you can shave. You know, semunhu ane achida kuenda kuoffice anditi. And also here's the toilet anditi. Here's the toilet, presidential toilet. Wow, this is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. And from here, I just want to show you something. Here is this is the shower. I mean, this is the shower. The space is big. There's big space here. If you want to use the shower, you can just jump inside there, and then you use the shower. There is hot and cold water, so you choose. From here, now I'm going to be showing you that is the center of attraction when it comes to lodges or hotels. Center of attraction is the bed. That's how it is, isn't it? Produce. That's how it is, huh? Right, so this is the center of attraction. This is the bed, their bed. I think you can see with the pillows. They've got about 4 pillows, 2 cushions, And these pillows, what do you call these one? Kata cushions. These are kata cushions. On the bed, I think you can see some 4 pillows. Unaita zvaunoda nemapillows. Mukada kuti handisuda kutaura newe morongedza mapillow pakati. Usandigume. Koti headboard. I think you can see the kind of material which was used to make this headboard this up to standard. And also, Masai, there are some extra lights. Those are extra lights. Maybe she want to be reading and you want to sleep, you can just switch off your light and then she can continue reading whatever she's reading without disturbing you. And so this is the room, the presidential room here at Suskwe Lodge in Gweru. All you need to do is to get in touch with them per number ziripa screen idzodzo, and then zvinotofamba zvakanaka. Aiwa, ndangondingokuradzaiwo dzimwe dzenzvimbo dzakanaka dzatinoita rarawo sanangosei. Ndosa muchizoona nangosei tichiita confidence yakanyanya. Anditi tichiita confidence yakanyanya because dzimwe nzvimbo dzatinorara dzinotipa confidence. Anditi from angosei the only zip uncle chanza chamai wenyu for now ndichiti it's much love.